are. The day after the big snowstorm. This is where the lawn starts. So look at the buildup. It's about 5 feet. 5 feet of snow. The snowplow comes down and pushes all the snow off to the side, and then it churns it up. So what happens is this then freezes like a wall of ice. And if they don't dig it out before it's absolutely frozen, those cars aren't going to move for quite a while. Yeah, this is it. I can see my breath. It's about -7. About -7. No jacket for Wyatt Nation. No jacket required. T-shirts is cool. That's it. Still waiting for the global warming to kick in. Wyatt over. Never out.